Welcome to Root Cause Analysis with Sigma, a cloud analytics and business intelligence platform. Imagine doing root cause analysis without the limitations of traditional spreadsheets. Sigma is purpose-built for the cloud to provide the flexibility and ease of use of a familiar spreadsheet experience that is always up to date with virtually unlimited scale. Looking at the monthly profitability dashboard, we notice that expenses have gone up by almost $50 million and the profit margin has decreased by more than a point. We can drill into the month-over-month expenses to see what's happening. Expenses have increased by more than 22%. With Sigma's Drill Anywhere capability, we can ask the next-level questions of the full data without going back to the analytics team. Expenses have gone up in the central region by over 30%. Next, let's drill down to the account level to find out which expenses have gone up. Air and rail shipping expenses have increased by over 291% for the central region. We'll leverage the power of Sigma's Spreadsheet Interface connected live to the cloud data warehouse to research further. You can use Sigma's Spreadsheet Interface to analyze journal entries and get to the root cause of the problem. We're looking at over 3 million journal transactions, already exceeding what can be analyzed in Excel. Next, let's build a pivot table to analyze the journal lines. Let's create a regional P&L using the account hierarchy and look at it by month. Expenses are up more than $24 million. Let's drill into account details. Air and rail had the biggest increase of over $15 million. Let's show the underlying journal transactions that make up the variance. We're looking at the journal transactions that hit the central region in June for air and rail transportation expenses. Expedited overnight air seems to be the issue. It contributed more than $21 million last month, so let's focus on that. We can share this insight with the operations team to look into the issue. In summary, Sigma allows you to do root cause analysis from high-level KPIs. This allows you to drill anywhere in the data, leveraging the familiar spreadsheet experience to analyze your full data in real time. Sigma lets you pinpoint issues in the granular details, all while leveraging the power, security, and scale of your cloud data warehouse. For more information about Sigma, please contact us today.